Hello, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this video, I am going to talk about one of the very important provision and the right that has been conferred upon the allottees, and that is the right to form allottee association as soon as the majority of apartments or the plots in a real estate project are booked by the builder. This is given under subsection 4, specifically subclause E of subsection 4 of section 11 of the RERA Act, where it is a duty of the promoter to form an association of allottee as soon as the majority of the apartments or the plots are booked by it. Meaning thereby, if there are 100 apartments and 51 apartments are booked, he has a duty to form the allottee association. Now this allottee association has been conferred with one right under the act, that is to complete the project if in case the registration of the project is cancelled. And these days in the year 2021, and we have been seeing it since long, that many promoters are defaulting or have defaulted or even are absconding and not completing their project. And there are certain instances where RERA has given the right to the allottees association to form the or to construct the project or complete the project in the manner it was shown to the allottees. So how to form this association? So the first step that the allottees must take is to request the promoter itself that you form an allottee association, and if in case you are not forming same, then inform us as to how many apartments have been booked by you so far. If the builder is not responding, then you can email or you can write a letter to the regulatory authority to know about the number of flats that have been booked, and once you will receive that information, on the basis of that you can serve a legal notice upon the builder to form the association within 1 month, or else you will yourself form the association. The point of meeting should always be the project site of all the allottees, and there you can organize meeting of all the allottees and there itself resolve for forming an association, and the office bearers may be elected and bylaws may also be adopted. The entire schedule or the entire terms of the formation of the allottee association can be decided there. So once the bylaws are finalized and the office bearers are elected, then the registration will take place under the Societies Registration Act or also under the Cooperative Act. It is upon the choice of the association that under which act it wants to register itself. Once it is registered, inform the RERA authority that you are a registered body, and you can also file complaint for the benefit of all the allottees, because a majority of allottees will have common grievance. Certain allottees will like to exit from the project and certain allottees will like to stay in the project. And depending upon the resolution passed, you can file a case. However, it must be ensured that the thoughts or the choice of one group is not enforced upon the other, and two separate complaints can also be filed for taking possession or for withdrawing from the project. This is a very important right that has been given, but I'm sorry to say that it is not being exercised by the allottees, because there is less literature on the subject, less judgments or hardly any judgment on the subject. However, when we see the entire or the Apartment Act or the right to form association under the Constitution of India, laws related to these things, then by invoking your statutory right under the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act and the other case laws, you can definitely or allottees can definitely form allottee association and fight for their rights by filing complaint under section 31 before the Real Estate Regulatory Authority. This is all that I wanted to inform you by means of this video. Hope this video was informative, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for staying with us.